Hi, my name is Elijah, and I'm going to show you how to make fireworks in Minecraft. Okay, so first you need to build a little fence thing like I did, like a stick. You need to build it like a high, almost like fireworks. And I'll be right back to show you the rest. I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I'll be right back to show you how to put the chickens on it. So, as you can see, well, I just randomly spawned chickens. And I'll be right back to show you what to do. But you can only do this in creative. So you fly above the chickens and then you just tap them. And they fly off like fireworks. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. So, if you liked the video, just subscribe or leave a comment. See you later.